Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Shopaholic on Budget, and today's video is a haul video on Amazon and Flipkart. So let's just start with the haul. So the first thing is from Amazon, and these are stainless steel straws. These straws are really of high quality, and this is the pack of 4 straws, 2 bended and 2 straight with a brush to clean. And I bought this because of I thought that plastic straws are not healthy, so that's why I bought this. I got this for 129 rupees. Initially it was for 74, but with shipping I got it for 129. Next thing is also from Amazon, and it came in this box, and these are cute little fridge magnets. This is pack of 6 magnets. There are different designs available in this fridge magnets from this brand. So I decided to buy this because there were nice pictures on it. Nutella, chicken and bonjour. So I really like this one. So I bought this. You can pick whatever you want. And it cost me 179 rupees. It was for 199, with discount I got 179. So next thing is from Flipkart, and I have seen these in every other YouTuber's video for keeping their makeup organization and everything. So I bought this to keep my everyday clothes. But if you're buying for keeping nice clothes, so it's a bad option because it has a gap in the drawers. The drawers are spacious and everything, but for keeping clothes and everything, the dust and cockroaches, everything will enter. And I got this for around 1500. So next thing are this bed covers, mattress covers, and these are from the Asian HANDLOOM brand, and the brand is really nice. I bought 2 bed covers from them. The quality is really good. It is 100% cotton, and the zip is also of nice quality, strong and top-notch quality, and the stitching is also good. So I got for 400 rupees each piece. Next is from Amazon, and this is the apple cider vinegar 500 ml bottle, and this is from the brand Health Fit. So I'm trying this for first time, and I got this for 199 rupees. Next item is also from Amazon. These are the wooden spatulas. It is a set of 5 spoons. There are different spoons in it, and I bought this for the non-stick pans and cookware set. The quality is really nice, and the finishing is also good. The wood is of nice quality, of high quality, and this came in this netted thing. It has holes in it, so we can hang it on the hooks. This is from the brand called ClazKit or ClazKit. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I really like this one, and for the price I have got, it's really good. So next thing is this shoe rack from Nilkamal. This is in the brown and coffee color. So it comes in different parts, and you have to assemble it. It's a difficult task to assemble it. It's a little time taking thing, but you can do it. So on the front side it has a logo of Nilkamal. The quality is really nice and sturdy, but you have to be little careful while adjusting it or fixing it. And this is the door. There are 2 doors, and the rod in them between them is of nice steel quality, strong, and there are holes given so that the shoe rack doesn't stink because of the shoes and socks. there are 3 compartments, so you can keep 9 shoes, and but on the down part you can keep the chappals or slippers. In total 12 pairs. So both the things I got from the same seller, Cloudtail, and the spoons was for 177 and the shoe rack for 2138, but with discount I got this for 2038 rupees something. So this is it for today's haul, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel.